Welcome to Mr. Who's Florida Railroads, where we give a very unique look at rail fanning and all things Florida, just like this. Well, we got 3 trains today. We got 298 Silver Meteors and 140 Floridian in this sauna that we love to call home. That's Florida. Hey, check out my short videos as I have mixed classic rock along with trains. Getting a pretty good review on it. I thought it was pretty tight. And also got asked why I don't do any freight. Well, if I had freight trains coming through while I'm awake, man, I would love to get freight trains. Just so happens here where I'm at, they tend to come through in the middle of the night. So hopefully someday I'll be able to get some freight trains for you. But right now, hey, we still got Amtrak, and that's going to have to do. Hope you enjoy the show, y'all. Peace. Train 98. Northbound to New York City. Running 20 minutes early. How about that? Looks like she's cruising pretty good. Oh yeah, she's flying. Train 98, running a half hour late, headed northbound to New York City. Train 40, head northbound to the Windy City, Chicago. Running an hour late. Yo, thanks for watching Mr. Who's Florida Railroads. We greatly appreciate it. We'll see you next time. God bless. Much love. Peace out as always.